I hear people talk about an ambassador. What does that mean?
Well, all of our tour leaders are called ambassadors. They're all independent contractors, but they are fantasy RV tour representatives or ambassadors. We have different designations for each of them. Some of them are wagon masters, some of them are tail gunners, and there will always be two of them, two couples on a caravan or a rally.
And is it different? Sometimes they're called something else at rallies, an assistant and a rally master. Are they saying they're just ambassadors?
They're still the same. Somebody always has to be in charge to kind of make sure that we can contain all of the chaos. But so that would be the rally master, and that's specifically when we're at a rally. And then they're called assistants while they're working at a rally.
And on a caravan, it's comforting to know that somebody's in the lead and somebody's bringing up that.
Right, and that's the tail gunner, and they kind of sweep everything. They're the last one to leave the campground in the morning after everybody's left for their travel day, make sure nobody left anything. They didn't leave their water splitters or their steps that they were using for their RV. So, and they also are safety net for anybody who might break down along the way. They see them, they pull over and make sure everything's okay.
And what about my pet? Can I bring my pet on all the tours? What do I need to do?
Absolutely. We are a very pet-friendly company. We love all of our dogs and cats and even other exotic animals on occasion. We do ask that all guests take responsibility for their own pets, but we will help provide information so they can find dog walkers, pet walkers, whatever that they might need if we're on a long tour day. They just need to make sure they have all their updated records with them while they're traveling.
Well, good. Yes. And how about the physical demands? And if I need a walker or a mobility device, is that welcome on all the tours?
Yes, some of our tours are a lot more challenging than other tours, and we do have an activity rating on our website so that you can check that out and see what suits you best. But we have most of our tours are completely accessible for anyone who might need mobility assistance.
Okay. And what about my dietary?
Dietary needs, we do our best to help our guests manage any dietary restrictions. We will, you'll need to make sure you let your wagon master know if you have something that is urgent, like a peanut allergy or something that is really dangerous. But as far as restrictions go, if you're vegetarian, if you're gluten-free, we do our best to provide many different options so that you'll have something on the tour.
Oh, great. And sometimes there's a free day on a tour. How do I know about optional activities?
That is where your ambassador team is a great resource. They have been there before. They have a lot of information about optional activities. They love to share experiences that they've had with other groups while they were in the area. So they'll be a great resource for you to find out other things that you can do in an area.